Hello there, my name is Manny, and today I will talk about this vapor decongestant. Well, this is the Vicks Inhaler in particular. If you're like me with a clogged nose every day because of allergies, well, definitely you will need this. This costs about $2 or about 95 pesos here in the Philippines. Well, not much, but if you have to buy this weekly because this dries up very quickly in about 5 to 6 days, well, you're gonna end up with canisters like this. It's empty tubes, and it will eat a lot of your monthly budget. Oh, that's gross. Whether you use it regularly or not, it will dry up essentially. So you have to buy it again after 5 days. Okay. So I've seen a lot of this empty inhalers like this selling at Lazada or Shopee for about 20 pesos, I guess. So I think this could be refilled with your favorite essential oil. So let's see. I have my scalpel here. Let's remove the Vicks labeling. Oh, this one. Okay. My Sony A6400 doesn't focus well. So anyway, let's remove the label and see if this is the same thing with the ones being sold with the empty inhaler tubes being sold at Lazada. Ta-da! It's the same thing. So I bet you can refill this one with any essential oil available to do the same thing as the Vicks Inhaler, so you can save money. Here's it. But right now I only got this white flower. Okay, so this is white flower embrocation liniment. This is the only one available here in the my area here in the Philippines. This is the only essential oil that I got. Well, I bought this for about the same price of the Vicks Inhaler. We could refill the Vicks Inhaler with this one. So this is the white flower embrocation, also known as Pak Fah Yeow. This is a Chinese product with almost the same ingredients used by the Vicks Inhaler products. So it has a menthol solution that gives you the same cool, soothing effects you get from the Vicks Inhaler. You can fill for as much as 3 to 4 times the original Vicks Inhaler tube. So it will last for about a month or two without buying a new one. And again, it's a good thing is you can use this much longer than the single tube of Vicks Inhaler. So you can save money for that. Okay. So how do we refill this one? Let's get onto it now. Okay, so here's how you open this one. Here you're gonna find a notch here. Just pry it open. Okay, there you go. Inside, you'll find something like a cigarette filter. But what it actually does is to hold the liquid so it does not spill elsewhere inside the tube. It's the same thing as the felt absorbent material used in a marker pen to hold the ink. So you fill this absorbent material with white flower oil. About 5 drops will do until 1/4 portion of it is filled. You can fill as much as you want, but I suggest not too much because it will dry up anyway regardless of how much liquid you put into it. As I have said, you can use much longer if you refill it with sparingly with the amount that you can use for the time being. Okay, So I've filled almost 1/4. I guess that's it. Then replace it and put the cap on back. There, it's done. Okay, so as I've said, as you can see, we only consume 1/4 bottle, so that's how cheap it is compared to buying brand new Vicks Inhaler once a week. So basically that's the idea. You get the cheaper refill than having to buy a brand new one. That's it. Okay, so it is done. I refilled this one with a white flower liniment. Okay. It's strong. Maybe it's not strong enough as the original Vicks Inhaler, but I think this will do for my daily needs. And I think we gotta remove now the Vicks labeling and rename it as a white flower inhaler. Crazy, huh? So there you have it, a brand new refilled inhaler tube from the Vicks Inhaler. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like my video and subscribe to get updates for my future uploads. So again, my name is Manny. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.